What's up, guys? This is your boy Passive Crypto checking in with another video. This video is about Bybit. Basically, this is a recap of a video I did a while ago. I think it was, April the 13th. That was a couple months ago now. So I finally was able to double back to this video to give an update on how I did on my trade on Bybit. But before I get started, I really would appreciate it if you guys tap that subscription tab and tap that notification bell. So this video, I will be giving a giveaway, another Bitcoin giveaway. The instructions are: first, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you have to subscribe to my channel. Second, you have to smash that thumbs up to give me a like. Third, you have to leave a comment and your Bitcoin address. So hopefully you guys are able to do all those things, because you have to be able to do all those things to qualify for the giveaway. So let's get to it with this recap. So I did a video on April 13th called Bybit Leverage Trading, Can I Make a Profit? And I was trading off a pattern that's called a bearish rising wedge. And basically you can look that up on Google. All it is a pattern that will give you an indicator that it's a bearish trend, and the price usually falls within that pattern. It goes up and then it just starts running out of gas, and then it just drops. So initially I was making money on this trade because it was playing out the way it was supposed to, and it did drop a little bit, but I didn't exit the trade when I should have. And I just wanted to basically just see and watch it play out to see, was it actually going to go down as far as I thought it was. And it didn't. It actually reversed, and it started to go up, and it got right back into the trend, and then it broke the trend and went bullish. And I have a few I have a few theories of why I did that. Mainly because I would say mainly because of YouTubers pumping up the price, giving people the idea that it was bullish. In my opinion, Bitcoin won't be bullish until it breaks around 13,000. Once it breaks around 13,000, to me that's a bullish signal. So the way it's bouncing now, in my opinion, it's still bearish. But if enough, in my opinion, if enough YouTubers get on YouTube and say it's bullish, and they show patterns showing you that it's bullish, I guess enough people will believe it. But enough of my rant. That's just my personal opinion. That's probably not true, but that's just my personal opinion. So anyway, back to the trade. So this is what the trade looked like on my platform. I'm going to show you exactly the trade. Asset history. So this is the trade right here. It was a trade. There you go. Well, I entered the trade at 6,800, and I exited the trade at 8,400, and I got liquidated. So I just let it play out. I could have stopped it and not got liquidated, but I just let it play out because I just wanted to see the end result of the pattern that I was tracking. And I didn't make a profit. That's that. But as you can see, this is a few of my trades. As you can see, the red basically indicates losing trades, and the green indicates winning trades. So all in all, I lost 5 trades and I won 5 trades. So you can win on here. It's very risky. It is very risky. But I don't care about that because I do use the Bybit testnet to practice my strategies, and the testnet is free. So if you're a newbie, if you never traded before, then I would recommend you start off with the Bybit testnet until you get used to the platform and you basically figure out a style or a way that you can make winning trades. There's a lot of people on YouTube that don't like Bybit. Some of their points are valid, but for me personally, I don't really listen to that. I just, it's all about making money for me. So, yes, it's risky. Yes, you're going to lose. I guarantee you come on Bybit, you're going to lose some money because leverage trading is very risky, especially when you lever up really high. So the higher you lever up on your leverage, the more risky the trade because it's easier to get liquidated. I usually only lever up to around 5x, sometimes 10x, but mainly 5 and lower. That's how much leverage I usually use, and it works out fine for me. But that's just my opinion. What you will hear if you watch other videos is, well, Bybit wicks are too long. It's easy to get stopped out your trades. Some of that's valid, but some of it is just blah, blah, blah to me. Because if you know how to trade and you following your trade, you can always exit your trade early enough where you won't take that big a hit, or you might even break even. So for me, all that other stuff with Bybit, you do have to use a VPN if you're from the US. I'm not recommending you do that, but yes, you do have to use a VPN to access this platform if you're from the US. So that's another valid reason some YouTubers don't like Bybit. But for me, I use it. I don't hate it, and I can't say I love it, but I don't hate it. It's just a tool to make money in crypto for me. And I am responsible for my own actions. I don't blame anybody else if I lose money in crypto. That's all on me because that's my personal choice. And I personally choose to use Bybit as one of my tools to earn crypto. Do I win all the time? No. As you can see from my last few trades. But I do win sometimes. 50% is not a good ratio, but I'm working on it. It's a work in progress. There's no trader that wins 100% of their trades. If they tell you that, they lying. So I had to get that out of the way. So, but yeah, I do use other trading platforms where it's a little less risky, but I like what Bybit has to offer. It's good for what it has to offer, long as you don't get carried away and start gambling. And right now they have a few promotions going where you can earn an easy $15, and that's by signing up for the social media, which is $5. That's pretty easy to do. Another one is trading for 10 days. That's another $5. And then setting up a custom strategy alert. That's another $5. So that's $15 you can earn with little to no effort whatsoever. And as far as the trading, the 10 days of trading, you can do little micro trades where you only using 1x leverage. No, not 1x, maybe 2x leverage, and you make a little $50 trade with 2x leverage, which is basically about $25. Maybe $50. Do a $50 trade, 2x leverage, that'd be $100. Yeah, that'll be $100. So yeah, do that. couple days, and then exit the trade if you think it's going against you or right before it does. Then you can break even. You don't have to wait till you losing to exit the trade, and you get $5. So I will be leaving my referral code in the description for anybody that's interested in trying to learn how to leverage trade. Once again, it is risky. For newbies, I do recommend the Bybit testnet to get started. So you do that, and it's free. Risk-free way of trading. So this is the video right here. And I'm going to show you the little pattern that I was trading off of, which is the Bybit. This is a Bybit chart. And this was a bearish rising wedge. And it was playing out pretty good. It dropped right there, and I was in the green. And then it reversed, and then it went back up. And then after eventually it just broke out. I had an indicator that exit the trade, but I would only exited the trade with about $40. So I would end up losing about $90. So I just let it play out. The extra $50 didn't really hurt. So it is what it is, and I will continue to keep trading. And yeah, so I mean, if you're interested or not, I mean, you can check it out. And I think it's serviceable. Excuse me. Yeah. So yeah, Bybit is good for what it is. It is what it is. You know, it's a high leverage trading platform. It's very risky, but with high risk, it's great reward. So you have to keep that in mind. So I don't really listen to those other guys like, well, it's not fair and blah blah blah, and the wicks are too high, and it's easy to get stopped out, and you're gonna get I don't pay attention to none of that. Go to the Bybit testnet, work out your trade strategy out there, and once you have something that you think you can go with, give it a go. You know, don't go in all balls to the wall and spend all your money. Only trade what you can basically stand to lose. So movie money. If you had some money and you're like, I might go to the movies today, use that money. Or I think I need some new shoes, but I already got 2 pairs of new shoes, but I just want to spend money. Use that money to trade, and you'll do fine. So once again, this is a video where I will be giving a giveaway. You do have to subscribe to my channel, smash that like button so I can get the thumbs up. Leave a comment and your Bitcoin address. And I really do appreciate you guys for watching this video. And peace. I'm out.